Consider sharing more than just your photographs and videos if you're seeking for methods to generate money on Instagram. Share your target market. Dedicated groups on the social networking app, even if they number in the thousands, attract businesses. You could be able to generate money if your followers meet the customer profile that a business is attempting to reach. You don't want to go to the influencer route? Consider selling your own items. On Instagram, there are 5 basic ways to make money. Number 1, obtain sponsorship. The most common way for Instagram users to make money is through creating sponsored posts or stories. For example, if your Instagram page is dominated by photos of your dog on hikes, an outdoor gear company could be willing to pay you to post a photo featuring their product. How to get sponsored on Instagram? So, how do you go about finding a sponsor? Potential partners may approach you in some instances. If you don't want to wait for someone to approach you, look into companies that can assist you in finding and working with brands. Look for a service. Which company you use is determined by your requirements. There are direct agencies such as the Mobile Media Lab and marketplaces such as Influicity that connect you with partners. Other programs such as Aspire can assist you in managing all of your partner interactions. Be genuine. When looking for partners or choosing between multiple offerings, look for items that you and those you influence would utilize. Your dog's fans are more inclined to believe your advice on a trail backpack for dogs than they are on government cat food. Don't waste your time with products you don't enjoy. There is no need to recommend these items to others if your dog would tear up an indestructible toy in seconds or gnaw off every sweater you've put on her. Look for brands that are as niche as possible. Fans of your active dog may seek out multiple perspectives on dog products in general, but they will put their trust in you to know which protective booties are best for the winter. Keep in mind that sponsored Instagram posts and stories are held to the same advertising truth standard as any other type of promotion. In each compensated article and story, make sure to add a disclosure. To do so, go to your account settings and enable branded content, then tag your business partner. Number 2, promote your company. There are other ways to generate money with Instagram. You can open a business account to help your company expand. A professional-looking Instagram account, for example, could provide a promotional boost if you run an Etsy shop where you sell your crafts or a culinary blog that earns advertising revenue. This is another popular TikTok way to generate money. To direct more people to your Etsy or website, include a link in your profile or promote one specific product in your bio area. You can tag things to promote your stuff directly if your account is approved for Instagram shopping features. Prepare yourself for success. Take well-lit images of the products or projects you want to promote and make them searchable. Make your own hashtag and see what hashtags your competitors are using. Encourage your customers to tag you in photos of their purchases. You can also learn more about your audience by using Instagram's Insights function. You can check how many people have seen your post and statistics about their age and gender. You can also use the app's resources to identify and connect with new customers. Pay to have posts that you want more people to see promoted. You may also include a button in your profile that links to an email address or phone number so that potential clients can simply reach you. Number 5. Advertisements can help you monetize your videos. Allowing sponsors to run adverts throughout your videos is another method to earn money. To get started, go to your creator account settings and enable the in-stream video monetization option. Then, as usual, post videos. The amount you earn is determined by the number of views your video receives in the feed. According to the Instagram for Business website, you'll get 55% of the revenue generated per view. Payments are made once a month. If your movies do not match the requirements, you will not get paid. To earn money, for example, videos must be at least 2 minutes long. Instagram suggests keeping videos between 2 and 4 minutes long. For more informative and educative content, follow us and subscribe to our page.